Welcome back, guys. So in this video we're just going to jump right in and learn all the important HTML5 tags and attributes, links, forms, how to get pictures and all that stuff. Maybe some of you already know this stuff, but we will get into the difficult things like CSS grid, flexbox, and animations much later on in the course, because I want this course to be uh, friendly even for the beginners, the people who haven't used HTML5 like ever in their lives. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna make a folder. So new folder, we're gonna name it, let's HTML sandbox. The reason I'm naming this folder is because I want this course to be something that you can refer back to. Maybe in the future you guys are maybe you're just designing some website and you want to go back and take a look and see how things were done, how to get the attributes, what was the use of some tags. So it will be easy for you guys to navigate and find your way back. Okay, so now you have to open this file in Visual Studio. So you can just click on the okay, just some stupid updates. You can just click on the open folder. You can search for the folder. Mine is on the desktop, so just select folder and open it over here. Now once it has been opened, we can just okay, cancel this screen. Okay, so you can see the HTML sandbox has been opened, and yeah, we're already inside this folder. There are no files right now, so we're going to click this button over here, and this is going to create a file. I'm going to name it index.html. You see, as soon as I wrote HTML, the icon over here changed because now the text editor knows it's an HTML file. Okay, now this has been finished. Now I'm going to explain you guys a little bit about how HTML file works. Actually always, HTML files are filled with the HTML tags. And that's exactly what we're going to do over here. We're going to fill this file with HTML tags. Now broadly speaking, there are two kinds of HTML tags. Well, I guess I should show you how an HTML tag is first. They basically use these brackets, less than and greater than. And then, like for example, you can do this h1 tag, and you can see that VS Code actually closes the tag by itself. I'm going to put some space over here so you guys can see clearly. So this is the first kind of an HTML tag. Now this over here, it says h1 tag, which means heading, but there is also paragraph, and there are many other kinds. But the main focus over here is that the opening part of the tag has the less than and greater than signs, and in the middle it will have this value which will show what kind of tag it is. And the closing part of the tag will be exactly the same, but it will have this slash over there. The other kind of tags is this one. These are called self-closing tags. Like for example, this is a break. This just basically adds a line break. You just skip a line, it just puts a space in the middle. You can use it to put space in the middle of words or in the middle of paragraphs or whatever. Now the difference over here is that the self-closing tags don't have any content inside of them, but the non-self-closing tags actually have something inside them. For example, the heading can be my first website. But for the break tag, I don't need to add anything inside it because it's just used for adding break. As simple as that. Another kind of the same kind, for example, the non-self-closing tag will be P, the paragraph tag. Now you can see the Visual Studio Code has something called inside Emmet, which actually helps us produce HTML files really fast because it's smart and it helps us, close the tags really fast, so you don't have to actually write the whole thing. You just need to write the P and press enter or tab depending on the you know, whether you're on Windows or you're on Mac, whatever. So it will just close it by itself. Now the paragraph can be like, welcome to my first website. Okay, so it's done. Now all you need to do is Control Save over here, and then the file will be saved. Go back, you can see index.html is over here. Now maybe you'll have a different icon or whatever depending on what is your default browser. Mine is Chrome, and I usually do suggest Chrome. Now I'm just gonna open it with Chrome. And you can see my first website, welcome to my first website. This is the paragraph tag, and this right over here is the heading. Over here what you can see is like the path where the file is located. This is happening because we're basically opening the file right from our desktop. It's not on any server or anything, but you know, like once you actually launch a real website, you will buy the servers, you'll buy a domain name and stuff like that. So all of this will change, and then like for example, when you go on Facebook, it says, you know, that HTTPS, like Facebook and stuff like that. If you go on Amazon, it says stuff like that. Maybe you'll buy a domain called My First Website, and then it will say something like that over here. But right now it just is just showing the path where this file is. In any case, the website is ready, but an important thing to remember over here is that this is not the standard way to write the HTML. Like, yeah, it's working. I just made it really quickly to show you guys how basically, you know, the basic HTML works. What you know, the two types of tags are there and stuff like that, but this is not the standard format in which HTML should be written. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you guys the basic layout, how the HTML website should be structured, how it should be written, and I'm gonna show you some other important tags that are required for it to pass as a standard HTML website. Okay, I'll see you in that one. Also, because it's an ongoing course, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up with all the new updates. Let us know in the comment section how you would like us to structure our future courses, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.